I don't know if you can hear me over the noise of my machine, but I'm going to show you my machine, a CNC router, cutting an inlay with my signature. So the first thing I do is I have my CNC machine cut my name with my signature, because I handcrafted by Lee. I cut the female there, and the machine so it's currently cutting the male version. That will go into there. And then I glue it in and cut it off. And see, that's what I end up with. It's actually inlaid into the wood. It's 4/100 of an inch of inlay in the wood. Not very thick, but those are pretty small letters. As you can see, let's see if I can find it. Give you a little reference there. It's pretty small, but it amazes me that that CNC router has that kind of precision to be able to do that. On the back of every one of my trees, or pretty much wherever I build now, I have my name inlaid onto the back. Kind of makes it feel pretty good about it.